We're very excited today to have welcomed 6 teams, 4 teams, 1 from FSU, another one from Nova University. These are the best and brightest in business, and they have made it to this final stage after addressing a case 1 that we have put together with the Hyperion Council and our client this year, which is the Way Forward Foundation. These 6 teams are already in the rooms working to produce responses that are going to be impactful for the client this year.
This is a tradition for many years, and it's very close to my heart because it embeds the notion of experiential learning, working in an entrepreneurial spirit to bring ideas to life, and most importantly, making a social impact. We work very closely with the community, many of our supporters, the sponsors, the mentors who help our students get their ideas to life.
We're very proud to host this case competition with the goal of generating social impact and also for our students to put theory into practice. This year, this competition was available thanks to the generosity of our donors, Charles Durham and William and Lynette Cook. We started this competition a year ago for our local students, and this year we increased it to the rest of Florida. Our goal next year is to have a nationwide competition to give our students and students from other universities the possibility to have social impact. We also want to thank the Hyperion Council for their support and the Chamber of Commerce on Coral Gables, and a special thanks to the Way Forward Foundation, our partner nonprofit organization. Thank you.